Hey girlfriends, welcome to Sister Girl's second app. Happy Sunday. It is the AFC Championship games today, and I am not spending a lot of time in my kitchen. So what am I making for dinner? I'm going to be making some Crock-Pot baby back ribs. That's right, I'm going to season them, put them in the Crock-Pot, let them cook for about 3.5, 4 hours, and then I'm going to side them up with some corn on the cob. Oh yeah. So anyway, you know what to do. Get yourself a drink, a snack. Come on back. Let's get started because I'm not spending my day in the kitchen. I got a game to watch. Go Patriots. All right now. All right, so I got some ribs here, some pork loin, baby back ribs. It's about 4 pounds. I've cut it in half because all of this is obviously not going to fit into my crock pot. So I just rinsed them off. And I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning them. Let's start off with Slap Your Mama. Love this seasoning, okay? And make sure that you season the front and the back. Rub it all down there in those little nooks and crannies. Then I'm going to take some Goya adobo. Again, rub it in there. Rub it on both sides. I have some garlic and herb seasoning. Actually, I'm just using what I have in my pantry. I have so many different seasonings in my pantry. So I try to rotate them depending on what I'm cooking. I have some lemon pepper. You know I always got lemon pepper. Can't live without it. Some of this. Because I have rinsed it off and, blotted it with a paper towel, the seasoning adheres to it much better. I've got some ranch seasoning here. A little bit of this on it. Both sides. Anything else I'm missing? I got a little bit of red pepper seasoning. Okay. Now, that's my dishwasher. Don't mind that sound. With the red pepper, and now I'm ready to go ahead and put it into the crock pot. Look at this. See how nicely seasoned it is? Because my crock pot is so small, I've had to cut them in half as far as the ribs go. So I'm wondering if I should cut them up separately and put them in here, or just stack them like this in here. I'm thinking I might just cut them and place them in there, but no, I'll start off like this. If for some reason they don't cook all the way, well, don't cook that fast, or they don't cook all the way through, yeah, that'll work. Yeah, see how I have them in here? And I placed them on high. I'll leave it in there for about 3 or 4 hours. The rest of that in there. 3 or 4 hours on high. If you're going to cook them on low, you will cook them on 6 to about 7 hours. I'm trying to get this done because it's still snowing outside, and you know how Mother Nature is. I don't want to be without my electricity, so I'm trying to get this done early. Anyway, I'm going to put the top on this. It's on high, and that's it. We'll be back to do our side dish, which if I have some corn, I'll go ahead and make that too. Game day meal today, definitely. Yes, the AFC championships. You know I'm a New England fan, okay? I'm a New England fan. Go Patriots. This is the other half of that, which will come in handy another day. So I'll go ahead and put this in my freezer. It's the end of the game. My ribs are ready. And by the way, we're back. The Patriots, we're back. Yes, look at this. Looking all good. Here's the right cut. One slab, half of a slab. This is the other side. Oh my goodness, they look so good. I have made a side dish of corn on the cob, as you can see. Okay, well, it's the end of the day, the end of the game. We won. Yes, yes, yes. Go Patriots. We're back, baby. We're back. Okay, we're going to the Super Bowl. I'm so excited. Anyway, back to the food. Um, as you see, I made some crock-pot baby back ribs with a side of corn. So delicious. They were so tender, falling off the bone. That's how you want it. You know what I mean? Melt in your mouth goodness. Yes. I have listed the ingredients in the description. I hope you try it out. In the meantime, I'm going to celebrate. You know what I mean? Oh, before I let you go, I have my podcast, which is Second Act Rediscovered. And in that, I have my first year, I had like about 34 episodes, basically about us over 60, you know, the things that we do about life, etc., etc., etc. And I've decided to have a reflections moments where you can write in questions or you can arrange a Zoom call, but all of that is explained in my Instagram bio. And if you want to order it, you can go into PayHip. It'll give you all the instructions, directions, etc. in that. In the meantime, I'm going to go celebrate. I'm so excited. Go Patriots. I'm so happy for you. Me, I'm a Boston girl. Always will be. But anyway, talk to you later. Take care. Have a fantastic week. And I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye.